Today I'll show you how to change your Facebook page name. First, go to about section, then you can see edit section. This is the easiest way to do. And then before you change the name, read this, do or do not, and also check this name is available in Facebook web. So I'll go check it first before I change the name, if it is still available or not, maybe someone taken or not. So my name, I'll deal for UK, yeah, page, yeah, I can see nobody taken this name yet, deal for UK. So I'll take this name and I'll change for deal for UK. This is how you check before you change the name. Yeah. Okay, go back and go to your page about section and then edit, deal for UK, yeah, all done. Now click on confirm. Yeah, yeah, request for change. They'll review it and then they'll approve it. Normally they approve it within 5 to 10 minutes. It's not take long. Yeah, so yeah, they just approved my name. As you can see on the, I just got notification. Alright guys, now we have to change the username. As you can see, still Bengali Bob on a username. This is the same way you do. Before I do that, I'll check that, I'll refresh the page and then I'll see whether name has been changed or not. So I'll go to settings and then read that message. Yeah, has been approved. Now I'll go to settings and choose my page. Yeah, I can see deal for UK. It's been changed from Bengali Bob. Yeah, but the username is still same, Bengali Bob. So I'll go to about section for changing to Bengali Bob to deal for UK. Yeah, this is the username. So username will be same, deal for UK, but it says you can't put any space, so we'll write it together. Yeah, and then click change. Yeah, all done, all changed. So now I'll refresh the page again and then I'll see whether it's changed or not. Everything's, yeah, so I'll refresh it. I'll go to settings for refresh. Yeah, deal for UK. Yeah, as you can see, username, name has been changed, deal for UK, all done. And thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe me. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. I make a tutorial video for blogging, Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, how to do. So don't forget to subscribe me and you can keep yourself updated. Thanks for watching guys. Thank you.